Greetings, everybody. This is Kilo Echo 8, Oscar Uniform Oscar. I figured I'd provide you a short video on the 891 and how to set your microphone gain. As you can tell, I have RF and volume all the way down, and I am setting here on the SWR portion of the meter. And as we learned in the last video, hopefully, we're going to have to change that meter to ALC. So the first thing I want to do is I want to short press my function key, or the F key, and I want to I can step through, and I want to come back to function 2. And notice it says meter, and you will also notice that I have MEQ settings because I have set the transmit audio in this radio, so I'm using the equalizer, so those will work. We want to multifunction probably twice to get into the meter, and then we're going to turn it to ALC. And leave it alone, and it'll auto exit back out to ALC. We're going to need that to check our mic gain, and I'm going to show you. I've set mine low for this demonstration, and I'm just going to pick up the mic, and I am into a dummy load, and we're going to call CQ Porta Kilo Echo 8 Oscar Uniform Oscar, and notice my ALC is barely moving, so we need to set some microphone gain on this radio, and we're going to go into that now. Alright, so the first thing, or the next thing that we want to do is we want to long press our function button, our F key. And we're going to scroll down to chapter 16, verse 7, and you'll get the little box around microphone gain. And like I told you, I had set mine to 15 so you could see it for the demonstration. I'm going to highlight it, and now that it is highlighted, I'm going to rotate my multifunction knob, somewhere up around 35, I think works for me. I could probably go as high as 40. Once again, instead of using the function key to get out, I'm going to use fast to keep my fingers out of the way of the video for you. Alright, let's try it again with the mic gain set at 35, and we're going to watch the ALC meter. And hopefully I will be getting a little better performance out of the microphone. Kilo Echo 8 Oscar Uniform Oscar. Actually, I'm probably too high. So we've went a little high for this radio because I'm peaking above the midpoint. I can say Whiskey 8 Alpha Tango radio and control it a little bit, but I don't want the radio clipping my signal, so we're going to come down a little bit. And once again, we're going to repeat the last few steps, and we'll take it down to like 30. Okay, once again, we're going to go long press function. We're going to come into 16.7. We're going to highlight it, and we're going to go down to 30. We're going to exit out, and we're going to try again. Whiskey 8 Alpha Tango radio. I can really hit that 8 call. When I hit 8, Kilo Echo 8 Oscar Uniform Oscar. When I talk normal, I'm still peaking a little bit. Whiskey 8 Alpha Tango radio. It's that tango. I'm somewhere down around 25 and 30 when I set my mic gain. So hopefully that works for you. I also turned speech compression on my radio, which drops it. So I'm going to leave it there because I know that that's where I tend to run. All right, everybody. Thanks. Kilo Echo 8 Oscar Uniform Oscar signing out.